1.2b, 6. Subtracting 9 is the same as subtracting 10 and adding 1. For example, 15 minus 9 can be solved by 15 minus 10 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. Use this strategy to determine the answer to the fact below. So I know I'm subtracting 9, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to say 13 minus 10 equals 3. 3 plus 1 equals 4. So therefore, 13 minus 9 is equal to 4. Generate a problem situation for the following number sentence. 8 plus something equals 14, and solve the problem. So to generate my problem, I could say blank has 8 somethings. He gets some more. Now he has 14. How many more did he get? Or she has 8 toys. She gets some more toys. How many? Now she has 14 toys. How many toys did she get? I'm not going to write that in there because this one has multiple answers it could be. So I'm not going to limit you. Then I'm going to solve it. So I'm going to have 8 and I need to get to 14. Well, I know 7 and 7 is 14. So I know that 8 plus something is 14. So that is 6. So 8 plus 6 is 14. I could take my 6 and I could make a 10 and 4 more. Skip count by 2s to determine the total number of objects in the set below.
Dismiss us 4. Dismiss us 4.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32. There are 32 objects below. Identify which two-dimensional shape is described and pictured below. It has 4 straight sides, 4 vertices, all sides equal in length, and it is a special rectangle. Well, I know a special rectangle has to have 4 square corners, so this is going to be my special rectangle. I'm going to check my work by making sure the rest of the clues make sense. 4 straight sides. It does have 4 straight sides. These are diagonal. It has 4 vertices, 1, 2, 3, 4. It has all sides equal in the length. All of these are equal, and it does have a special rectangle, meaning there are 4 square corners. What number is composed by the given base 10 blocks? I'm going to count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 100, 1, 100. I'm going to really have 100 plus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to make that a group of 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I have 10 plus an additional 6, which is really 116. You do not have to do it in an expanded form. That's what helps my brain. I also could have seen it as 2 groups of 5, which I knew was 10. Or sorry, 5 groups of 10. 10 groups of 10. Sorry about that, parents and kids. The number 74 has been decomposed below. Each of these circles, boys and girls, represents a group of 10. What is another way that the number 74 can be composed? So what I could do is I could decompose this 10, and so I could have it as 70 plus 4. I could have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. I could have done that. There are more ways than this. These are just different ways. So I could break apart a 10 and make it 6 tens with a group of 10 and 4 extra ones. Which group of blocks below has a value of 59? Mark your answer. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Here's a group of 10. Here's a group of 10. So I have 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. The answer is the first one. Notice I still solved all of those before I checked my answer to make sure I didn't make a oops. Casey has 22 ones blocks. She wants to place her blocks into tens and ones. Which set shows how Casey can compose her blocks? Circle the set that shows her answers. She has 22 ones blocks. She wants to make them tens and ones. So I know that would be 2 groups of 10 and 2 more ones, which I see as set C because there's 2 groups of 10 and 2 more ones.